Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Deadmans Harbour is a small coastal community in Charlotte County, New Brunswick, located along the Bay of Fundy between Black's Harbour and Beaver Harbour. Surrounded by rugged coastline, forests, and sheltered coves, it is one of the many traditional fishing communities that have helped shape life in southwestern New Brunswick. Although the community is small, its location along the Bay of Fundy has supported local families for generations through fishing, forestry, and other coastal industries. The population of Deadmans Harbour is estimated to be only a few hundred people. While the village itself has limited services, nearby communities such as Black's Harbour, St. George, and the city of St. John provide shopping, healthcare, schools, and additional employment opportunities. The combination of coastal scenery and rural living continues to attract people who enjoy a quieter lifestyle. The area has a long history that began with the Passamaquoddy and Mi'kmaq peoples who traveled these waters for thousands of years while fishing, hunting, and trading throughout the Bay of Fundy. European settlers arrived during the late 1700s and early 1800s, establishing small fishing villages and farms along the sheltered coastline. Like many nearby communities, Deadmans Harbour grew because of its access to productive fishing grounds and nearby forests that supplied timber for homes, ships, and local industries. The unusual name Deadmans Harbour has been part of local history for generations. Several stories attempt to explain its origin, including tales of shipwrecks or the discovery of a body along the shoreline many years ago. However, no single explanation has ever been confirmed, and the true origin of the name remains uncertain. Like many place names in Atlantic Canada, it has become part of the region's folklore while continuing to identify the community today. Fishing remains one of the area's most important industries. Lobster fishing provides seasonal employment for many local families, while some fishers also harvest scallops, herring, and other species found in the Bay of Fundy. The nearby salmon aquaculture industry is another major employer, with residents working on marine sites, in processing plants, transportation, and equipment maintenance. Housing in Deadmans Harbour is generally more affordable than in many larger Canadian communities. Most homes are detached houses on spacious lots, with some offering views of the Bay of Fundy or nearby coves. In recent years, average home prices have generally ranged between about $250,000 and $350,000. Although waterfront properties and larger homes can command higher prices depending on their location and condition, today, Deadmans Harbour remains a traditional Bay of Fundy community where the sea continues to shape everyday life. Although it is small, the community reflects the resilience and maritime heritage that have defined this part of New Brunswick for generations, while its dramatic coastline and rich natural surroundings continue to make it a memorable place to visit. Thanks for watching!